Hi, I'm Dave Epstein. Welcome to this edition of Growing Wisdom. Today we're going to talk about Eco 1. It helps control insects on your houseplants as well as edibles. Sometimes inside I grow things that are actually edibles like herbs or even some lettuces, and Eco 1 is the perfect product to use. The nice thing about Eco 1, it's not only an insecticide, it's also a miticide, and it controls some diseases like powdery mildew, rust, and black spot. Eco 1 is great for the houseplants. We've talked about that, but it's also wonderful for edibles outside, roses. It's wonderful for fruit trees, so you really can use it just about anywhere you're growing. Eco 1 is derived from botanical oils. It can be used right up to the day of harvest, making it safe for those of you growing edibles. Because Eco 1 is a botanical product, be sure to shake it really well before you start mixing it up. Once it's mixed, you want to apply it every 7 to 14 days, get the tops and the bottom of the leaves, and that will ensure that you're smothering all of those insects. If you're like me, most of my houseplants actually go outside during the course of the growing season, but then it gets too cold and inside they come. And that's when insects can become a problem because our homes are dry, there's not a lot of humidity, watering is kind of sparse at best sometimes, so the insects can explode in a matter of a couple of weeks, and the Eco 1 will knock them down. So it really doesn't matter what you're growing inside, Eco 1 is a great product to knock those insects down and keep them off your plants. For Growing Wisdom, I'm Dave Epstein.